Tired of tapping on language apps that don't actually get you speaking? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use italki to find the perfect online language tutor in 2026 so you can start having real conversations right away. Italki is a massive language learning platform with over 20,000 teachers covering more than 150 languages, including English, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, French, and many more. What makes italki different from other platforms is its ultimate flexibility. There are absolutely no monthly subscriptions. You simply choose your own schedule and pay per lesson. Prices are highly accessible, with some professional tutors starting as low as $5 to $10 USD per lesson. To get started, you just sign up on their website or download the app on iOS or Android. From there, you can browse teacher profiles, watch their introduction videos, and filter by your budget and learning style. You can choose private, one-on-one lessons tailored exactly to your goals, or join fun, engaging online group classes led by expert teachers. Plus, they have a free community area where you can practice and share experiences with millions of learners from over 190 countries. Now, looking at what actual learners say, while we have limited external review data today, featured student feedback is incredibly positive. Users like Anna and Celso mention that italki is perfect if you're on a tight budget or have a busy schedule. Students report seeing massive leaps forward in their speaking skills in as little as 2 months, with some even gaining the confidence to pass job interviews in their new language. If you're ready to take your learning beyond the classroom, head over to italki.com, find a tutor that matches your style, and book your first lesson. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more language tips, and let me know in the comments which language you are planning to learn this year.